Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to make a bun. Okay. Look at this. Getting the pony, straighten it up, and then getting like the bun. Look, a perfect one.
I built it in the wrong place.
You put it in the bun, and then voila. Done.
Ready?
Thank you guys for watching. Here's the close up quickly.
Ready, there's a problem. Ready?
Out to the day when you Okay, all we're gonna do is hit that bell button, like button, subscribe button, and then ding! Just subscribe to my channel. And share it, make sure you post it and repost it, and
Ready, where do I get bricks from?
and your friends can, your family members and your relatives can
Ready.
join my channel.
Where do I get bricks from?
I post day-to-day vlogs. Coming
Oh wait, what's this?
coming next in my next YouTube channel is yoga challenge. So peace and see you later. Gang gang.
I'm going on the zip line.
Oh, and comment down below. And comment down below if you guys want to see me. If you guys want to see me play some Fortnite or FIFA.
Can you even come up on the zip line?
Or do any pranks or funny jokes or stay in for half for 24 hours or any other fun activities. It should go great. We're done with this video. Now peace. Bye.
I need.
Bye.